little artists. Today, we're going to draw a super cute house of love. It's going to be colorful and fun, so grab your markers and let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's draw the roof of our house. Draw a big triangle at the top. Great job! Now, let's draw the main part of the house. Draw a big rectangle right under the triangle. Draw a long rectangle under the house to make it stand strong. Our house needs a chimney. Draw a small rectangle on top of the roof. Now, let's add a door so we can enter our home. Let's add 2 square windows on the sides so we can see outside. One on the left and one on the right. And for the final touch, let's add a heart-shaped window on top. Let's draw 2 little birds flying in the sky. Whoa! Great job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make our artwork pop. Take your marker and boldly outline the drawing. Look! Our house is alive with happiness.
Yay!
It's coloring time. Let's use rainbow colors to make our house look magical. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow! Look at our beautiful house of love. You did an amazing job. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun drawings. See you in the next video.
Yay!
Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.